once we have DBMS Cloud package installed, we can access our object storage bucket, for example, but we need to create a credential to be able to query data from that bucket. So I have another script here which will do the same as credential creation. So before you can run the script, you have to edit the script and you have to specify the variables for the script. The first variable is the demo username. The second one is the strong password. The third one can be blank because I have just one single pluggable database. This is the PDB name. And then we have to specify the identity information for the cloud account where we have the object storage bucket. So if you have a cloud account with the Oracle Identity Cloud Service, you'll have to escape the slash between the Oracle Identity Cloud Service and your username with a backslash. And you'll have to specify the token. The token is the one which has been created for your username into the cloud account where the bucket is located. The bucket is located in UK, London. And then the namespace is this one. And the bucket name is data. So this is everything you have to specify when you create those credentials, and you'll be able to query the files you have in that bucket. And then you can run source credential query bucket sh. And you can see here the output will be the query which will list the files you have in the bucket. If you want to see the files, let me show you. Here are the files in my bucket. And these 3 files have been successfully retrieved via the query. The SQL query I run is this one. I'm going to show you the SQL query. Let's say you go to Apex environment and you want to run the SQL query. You go here in SQL commands. You are connected as demo user with, you are using the demo schema, and you have this credential, and you can run the query. You get the same 3 files. You can go to SQL developer web. You can run the same query. Let me show you. So this is the query. You run the same query, and you will get the 3 files. So here are the 3 files, and those 3 files are the ones you have also mounted in MNT bucket. Cloud service, JSON, input, SQL, and people CSV. For example, you can see the information in those files. Bucket and cloud service, for example. Permission denied. Well, it has been mounted as root, and I must, or as Oracle user, because if I do NLS, yeah, this has been mounted as Oracle. So if I connect as Oracle user, I'll be able to check the information in those files, or I can do a sudo cut, and I can see the information in those files as a root user. And this is it.